The famous Japanese car manufacturer Suzuki has confirmed to bring an updated version of their popular SUV named as Brezza in the Indian market. The new updated Brezza will get some significant cosmetic changes, upgraded features and BS6 compliant 1.5-liter diesel engine. The SUV will be built on company's lightweight Heartect platform. According to the company, the new Brezza will come to the Indian market in the first half of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 8 to 12.50 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the SUV will be the rival of Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV 300 and others. Talking about the power, the new Brezza will be available in two engine options. BS6 compliant 1.5-liter 4-cylinder K15B naturally aspirated petrol engine along with mild hybrid system, which can generate 104 bhp of power and 138 Nm of peak torque, and Suzuki's new BS6 compliant 1.5-liter DDIS diesel engine from XL6 MPV. The engines will be mated to an optional 5-speed manual or new 6-speed automatic transmission by replacing its 4-speed automatic transmission. The new Brezza might come with CNG option as well. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV will not receive major changes. The SUV will likely to continue the sportier, rugged look with dual-tone exterior. Up front, it is expected to get sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish sleek chrome accented front grille with Suzuki badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, bumper mounted chrome inserted LED fog lights housing, and front's silver skid plate. The side profile will get power heated beams with indicated turn indicators, body colored door handles, roof rail, tinted glass, large wheel arcs with black cladding, side body molding, and new set of 16-inch dual-tone crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive LED tail lights, Suzuki badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights and reflectors, updated rear bumper with black cladding and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV is expected to be updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash-mounted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart instrument cluster with multi-information TFT display, new big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, premium sound system, remote trunk opener, multiple drive modes, rain sensing auto wiper, auto dimming IRVMs, dual zone auto climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, ambient lighting, new electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 60-40 split rear seats and bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, seat belt and door hazard warning system, traffic sign recognition system, high beam assist, auto emergency braking, 6 airbags, side impact protection beam, high speed alert, tire pressure monitoring system and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.